Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Haque, and thank you, everyone, for coming to the live. And I see a couple of you on the line. Thank you for supporting me. And I'm Dr. Haque. So again, I hope everyone doing well. It is so great to see you all on the live YouTube. So today we'll be talking about holistic health. Excuse me, with natural medicine and functional and integrative medicine. So I'll be happy to answer any question that you have, and please feel free to write your question down in the comment section. I'll be trying to answer your question as much as I can. So first of all, about myself, I am Dr. Haque. I'm doctor in bioorganic chemistry. I also did my postdoctoral fellowship from University of Texas Medical Branch. I did my nutritional study from Harvard University, and medicine and disease research I did in University of Texas Medical Branch. I also have another doctorate education, which is doctor in natural medicine. And doctor in natural medicine, we call doctor in naturopathy, so which is called ND, and that's my specialty. I am currently board certified holistic health practitioner and board certified doctor of naturopath. So please write down your question that you have. So the question that I have is, I've been always asked by my client, my patient, about the question that what should we treat, how should we treat disease? That is the first question I always get from a student, from my clients, and from my patients. So if you look at the what should be the true way to healing the disease, approaching the to the healing disease, which is I would say, first we need to know what is disease. If we know what is disease, we should be able to help. How can you heal the disease? So what is the disease? That's we're supposed to know first. Disease is malfunctioning of some organ of the body. So when some part of the body doesn't work properly, we call it disease. So, and this organ in the body is made of cell. So cell is made of purely nutrient like protein, fat, and mineral. When we put the right ingredient in the body get healthy. So when we don't put the right ingredient to our body get unhealthy. And this unhealthy or malfunctioning of some organ because of not getting proper nutrient, that is called disease. So the question I always get the question is, how can you heal the disease? So understand that if some part of the body is not functioning properly because of not doing proper nutrient and not getting proper nutrient, and body cell as human body cell made of multi-trillion cell working in the community. If you put the right ingredient, and then your cell will be healthy, your body will be healthy. So if you put the wrong ingredient, body will be unhealthy. So what do? Just put the right ingredient. And how do you do that? With a proper nutrition, with a lifestyle changes, proper lifestyle, and body will be healing itself if you put some natural medicine as needed to heal the wound here and there. That should be the proper treatment method that we should be considering. The second question that I am getting is, what should we do when you have several health problems? That is a great question I always get. Thank you very much asking this question. What do? You have several problems. You see, a lot of people, when you get older, they get so many diseases. They started with a simple stomach pain. They ended up get cancer. A lot of people, they had disease with like some acid reflux, and they ended up get diabetes, disease, heart disease, all kind of terminal illness. So if you have so many disease, to you, what do you do? That was a question I get. I probably. So suppose you have so many problem in the different organ, right? And body is made of different organ. If your body get the right ingredient, body gonna be building with a proper healthy organ, because every organ is changing. Suppose you have an eye problem, eye get changed by 2 to 3 days. You have a liver problem, liver, you get brand new liver by 6 weeks, 2 to 6 weeks. And suppose you have a skin problem, right? The skin problem is going to be healed by 1 month or 28 days. So any problem that you have, it should be go away by certain time. If you put the right ingredient, body gonna be healthy, because every cell is dying and new cell is developing. As new cell developing with the proper ingredient, your body is gonna be healthy. So that's how you get the healthy body. And no matter how many disease you have, you see or unseen, all disease is gonna go away if you put the right ingredient, because you getting the brand new body within 1 year. What I mean, within 1 year, the human body, this Dr. Haque is gonna be brand new Dr. Haque. So no matter how many health issues that I have, within 1 year, I would get totally brand new healthy person, because all the diseases go away by regenerating all the unhealthy cell, and healthy cell will develop by healthy ingredients. So again, the question that you have summary is, get the right nutrient, natural medicine, and proper lifestyle. That will help you to get all disease that you have, no matter how many disease you have, seen or unseen, is gonna go away. So then the question that I have in here is, a lot of people always ask me, and here's someone asking me, what is the chemical medicine? The medical doctors are prescribing medicine for different disease. Those medicine also curing disease faster. So the question is very interesting, that medicine can cure disease faster than natural medicine. Yes, Mr. Matthew, I agree with you. Natural medicine is slower, but regular conventional synthetic medicine is very fast. How it is fast? So regular medicine prescribed by doctor is treating the symptom, not the cause of the disease, and natural medicine approaching the root cause of the disease. We do not treat the diabetes, cancer, heart disease. We treat the root cause of the disease. So as if if you have a check engine light, how does it look if you turn off the check engine light instead of going to see what is your car problem is? So you better look at the problem inside the engine instead of turning off the check engine light. That's what exactly you're doing. When you taking medicine for disease like lifestyle related disease like diabetes or heart disease, medicine, you just turning off the check engine light instead of looking, at the digging behind what is the problem, what is the root cause of the disease. So what you need to do, so medicine, yes, medicine can help you feel better, but it doesn't treat the root cause. And if you do not treat the root cause of the disease is going to grow, and grow, and you'll have terminal disease, and one disease is going to make 10, 20 more diseases, and you ended up carrying the bag of medicine in your life. That's what you could do if you had medicine for everything. That's, a lot of people are doing. And then the question comes is how holistic health treat the diseases. So, Mr. Ryan, your question, the answer is holistic health do not treat disease. Disease is too far. We treat very basic, the root cause of the disease. And suppose you have a health problem with a headache. So I'm not going to give you pain medication or headache medication. I'm going to ask you your nutritional status. I'm going to check your mineral deficiency. I'm going to check your digestion. Then I'll help you with the proper nutrition that you need, that you are, deficient of, and I'll put you on natural medicine support that you need and that deficiency that I have found. Then your headache will go away. Suppose you have a knee pain or joint hurts. What I'll do? I will not give you therapy on your knee or joint. I'll ask you first where the pain coming from. I'll check your gallbladder. I'll check your maybe it's coming from your elimination is not working properly. That's how we go. We go very basic, the root cause of the disease, instead of treating the symptom. And then question came that what should you eat? That's a very basic question. What should you eat? So the question asked by Anna Traxon. So what should you eat? That's a very basic question. That is a very important question, because whatever you eat, that's how we are, right? So what should you eat? We eat the food. A lot of people ask me, Dr. Haque, is rice is good? Is fish is good? Is chips is too bad? And the simple answer is no food is bad unless it is processed, because God did not create any food for us which is meant to be bad. So we human beings do not know. We change the food structure. We genetically modified food. We process the food that makes it bad. So every food is good as long as it's natural, as long as it's not excess hormone and steroid and antibiotic added. For instance, if the chicken and meat and animal product that we trust for our protein and fat, that fully antibiotic and steroid fed. Imagine those steroid, hormone, and antibiotic come to our body through our protein sources that we are trusting for. Likewise, our plant-based food is between thousands of metric ton herbicide, insecticide, and pesticide putting on our plant food, and we are enjoying that plant-based diet. So food should be natural. Food should be whatever God given to us, whatever growing, and as long as it's not modified. So the problem is, unfortunately, we have a lot of big industry. They are advertising their business. That's all the processed food. And those processed food, we are being trapped, and we are enjoying the processed food, and we are being sick and getting healthcare, getting in a grave situation. We need to get out of the situation. We need to purify our health. We need to produce our healthy food so that we can get our healthy generation. And Barbara Carillo, she asking, what is the best form? Thank you, Barbara, for your question. Thank you for your support. So supplement, she asking about what should be the best supplement that we can take. So in terms of supplement, we should take supplement as needed. Food is the best supplement. But if you need additional support, then there is a couple of very evidence-based research company in US. We can trust on them. They are very well researched and evidence-based. Those company have a supplement in a oil format, so we can trust on them. But the food is the best. And in holistic healthcare, we do not just guess and give the medicine based on the symptom. We look at what the deficiency, what is this people are deficient with, then we put on right natural medicine and supplement. So we need to do MRT, that which supplement. For instance, you are deficient of vitamin D. So vitamin D have a multiple format. So we go and check their muscle test and see which vitamin is suitable for you. That's how we go suggest the supplement. Likewise, any mineral, likewise any vitamins. We go muscle test and then we suggest. I hope you get the answer, Barbara. And Shelly Tran, what should we eat for good health? I actually answered this question before. We need to eat food, not the junk, not the trash, or not the garbage. The food we eat is not a food. Recently, I had a trip with a couple of my folks, and we went to other city. We all sitting in the meal in the buffet. It's a very good buffet restaurant, and I saw, except me, everyone eating not a single molecule of food. Then I realized that why people are sick. People haven't learned what is the food, and we are not teaching our young generation what should be eating. People thinking rice and meat and bread are the best food that you can eat. So no food is bad unless it's processed. You can eat whatever God give it to you, unless people make it for you or corporation make it for you. Because when corporation makes the food for you, they did not look at your health. They have to look at their business, and that's how it goes. And next question is, if natural health is evidence-based, why doctors are not prescribing natural medicine? This is actually a great question asking. Natural medicine is the most evidence-based currently. We have been doing a lot of research in different university, government approving a lot of fund in US and National Health Institute. But why medical doctors are still prescribing medicine? You have to understand that this is not medical doctors' fault that they are prescribing medicine. And look at their degree, look at their education, look at what medical school is teaching them. They are teaching doctor in medicine. So those medical doctors are doing what they are trained for. They are trained with a medicine. They are not trained with a natural medicine. They are not trained with the vitamin and supplement. They are not trained to look at the root cause, but symptoms, the current scenario of the disease. So they're doing what they're trained for. They're doing exactly what they are paid and trained for. By the way, also if medical doctor writes you to eat a lot of broccoli and cauliflower, you'll be mad. You won't like it. So they're doing whatever they're supposed to be doing. This is us, holistic doctor, natural medicine doctor, will be suggesting what should be eating, what should be you're deficient of mineral and vitamin, and what can make you feel better, what can help you to disease away. But again, in holistic medicine, we do not treat the disease. We treat the root cause with a vitamin, supplement, natural medicine, nutrition, and lifestyle. And we also think about that we need medical system. And I'm not against the medical school. I personally have long research in medical school, University of Texas medical branch. I saw that why medicine is so important. And I would say this is a blessing for the humanity, currently, this medicine that we have. For instance, I had actually leg broken. My broken leg was fixed by medical doctor, and I'm very grateful for that. If I get my bone again, if I break my bone again, or if I get bullet shot, or if I cut my vein, you definitely take me to doctor. You must take me to doctor because they know what to do. They know how to fix the emergency situation. So doctors and medical system are very good with emergency whenever you need the urgent care help. But for the lifestyle related disease, when you have a health issue with a lifestyle disease like a diabetes, cancer, all a health problem like a headache, gastritis, any other thyroid and hormonal issue, we need to fix naturally. And currently, I'm glad to share that many medical doctors currently helping their patient with a combination of natural medicine and conventional medicine. And if you can combine natural and conventional medicine, that is going to be great, serving the community, serving the humanity to get out of the health epidemic. So if you have any question, please let me know. I'll feel free. I'll be happy to answer your question. And finally, today I will not be able to take any more question. Finally, I would say that I have a couple of people say thank you, Dr. Haque. Hey, thank you. And yeah, I'm good. Thank you. Asking how I'm doing. Finally, I would say we all will die one day. We will all pass away one day, but we need to live healthy. We need to, as long as we are alive and breathing. So as we are breathing, we want to be healthy and we don't want to live on the medication, so that we can continue living this world on behalf of what we are planning, and we can fulfill our purpose on this earth. And again, modern medicine combination with a holistic and natural medicine is the best we can do to save our humanity, to save our society for the epidemic of the disease. And thank you very much. That's all I can share with you today. And give me your thought, what we can do for you. And stay healthy and be healthy, eat healthy. Thank you.